Tax evasion and tax avoidance both sound a bit sketchy, but they're actually very different. Tax evasion is basically lying on your tax return to reduce your taxes. This includes things like not reporting all the income you received or taking deductions you're not entitled to reduce the taxes you owe. Tax avoidance, on the other hand, is perfectly fine. Tax avoidance is understanding the tax law and using it wisely to legally reduce the taxes you owe. Tax avoidance is a strategy. Tax evasion is a felony. Let's look at some examples. This is Voldemort. He's a landscaper. He did some work for large companies that paid him by check. At the end of the year, they each sent him a Form 1099 showing what they had paid him. He also worked a number of jobs for individuals who paid him in cash and didn't send him any forms. On his tax return, he only included the income that was reported to him on his Forms 1099, even though he made quite a bit more than that. That's an example of tax evasion. Harry is also a self-employed landscaper. He spent $1,000 on a lawnmower that he used exclusively for his business, and he deducted it as a business expense. That reduced his taxable income, so he owed less in taxes. That's an example of tax avoidance. Voldemort purchased several trees as a gift for his mother. He still had the receipts, so he deducted the trees as an expense for his landscaping business. But he didn't use them for his business, so that's tax evasion. Harry supports his 2 children. He claimed child tax credit and dependency exemptions for them. This reduced his taxable income by quite a bit. If he hadn't claimed those credits, he would have paid more in taxes, but he's allowed to claim them, so he does. Voldemort has a nephew who he occasionally sends birthday gifts to, but that's about all the contact he has with him. Voldemort's sister didn't file a tax return last year, so Voldemort claimed his nephew as a dependent since his sister didn't. More tax evasion. You can't claim a dependent just because someone else doesn't. You must be financially supporting the person you claim. Harry itemized his deductions last year. He contributed $100 to his church each week, so he was able to include $5,200 in charitable contributions, an example of generosity and perfectly legal tax avoidance. Voldemort also itemized his deductions. He didn't contribute anything to anyone, but he claimed charitable contributions of $500, figuring it was low enough that no one would question it. You guessed it, tax evasion. By now, you probably have the idea. Voldemort is in jail and was hit with some hefty fines. Harry is using his tax refund to take his kids to Disneyland. Who would you rather be?